Hey guys, it's me Stace. Welcome back to another video. Today we are using the Brothers ScanNCut to make this adorable little shirt box. How fun is that? Let's go to the computer and we'll get started. Alright, here we are at the computer. I'm already logged into the Canvas workspace. I am also using the desktop version. The very first thing it brings up is this Canvas Project Pattern Collection window. You will see a search box. Just go ahead and click inside the search box with your mouse. Then it brings up all these categories. You want to find the category that's called Mother's Day and go ahead and click on that one. And the project we're making today is this Mother's Day gift box. Go ahead and click on that. You see it brings up a preview window and mat A and mat B. That tells us that we need both mats to make this project. I'm going to move this window out of my way so I can see inside my work area. Then go ahead and click on mat A and make sure everything transfers inside the workspace, which it did. Do the same for mat B. Go ahead and click on that one as well. Make sure that's transferred over, then close this window out. I'm going to move these pieces off the mat. Now with the Brothers ScanNCut, it's not going to let me send this to the machine with these items being out of the mat area, so I need to hide these images. I'm going to click on one of them, go to the far right hand side toolbar, it's the third icon down, it's called Layers. Whatever you click on over here will be highlighted over here, so I can see it's clicked on and it's highlighted. To close the image or to hide the image, just go ahead and close the eye. Do the same for this piece, close the eye on that one, and also this pink piece, close the eye on that one as well. Now I can send this to my machine. So you're at the top toolbar and click on File, choose Export. You'll see a warning box pops up letting us know that the images that we hit are not going to transfer, which is fine. I'm going to click OK. I'm going to transfer this to the machine. And then once it's transferred over there, I'm going to cut everything out, come back to the software, highlight all these pieces, group those together, then hide them over on the right hand side toolbar, hide the eye, then reopen the eye on the white pieces and the pink pieces. So I can put my white up here on the lower or the upper left hand corner and the pink in the lower right, and just make sure you're inside that red bounding box. Then the same idea, top toolbar again, choose Export. That same warning box is going to pop up. Just going to choose OK and then Transfer. I'm going to cut everything out, go to the table and put the card or the box together. Alright guys, we are back. Everything is cut out. So we have the actual box itself, part of the shirt, and then these two pieces here. I'm first going to stamp on this one, and I'm going to be using a yellow ink and also a pink ink. Let me grab the yellow, and I'm going to do the greeting that says, "You're too kind." And then for the flowers, I'm going to use I want to do this in pink. Hang on. Okay, I'm going to do the greeting in pink and the flowers in yellow. Alright. So let me grab my flower. I'm going to stamp off and then stamp on. And the "You're Too Kind" it came from Motto Words, and the flower is coming from Dogwoods and Bloom stamp sets. Alright, let's go and close that. We're done with the stamps. Now with the cardstock, what I did is I did stamp the same flower in the same color pink, and this is petal pink, but I stamped off first. So I don't know if you can see that or how well you can see it, but it's very, very subtle. All right, let's go ahead and score on all the score marks, or fold on all the score marks. All right, so we have that piece. Let's take this one. And that one. And this one. All right, and lastly, our little white one right here, we're going to score that to create the collar for the shirt. Alright, let's go ahead and glue this down. So we're going to take this piece and we're going to glue it like that. Okay? So I'm going to grab my ATG and lay that one. It's actually easier for me to lay it down this way and then line it up this way. Okay, so there's that one. And then we're going to do the other side. Just like that. Alright, so now to assemble the box, we're going to put glue on this flap right here. And I'll be using my art glitter glue. And just bring this up, lining up the sides. Go in there and just press that down really well on the inside. Alright, now I'm going to do the opposite side. Put glue on this one as well. Put it in there. I'm going to come in and just press it down. Go in a little bit more. Just try to match up the edges. Alright, now I'm going to put glue on these two flaps right here. And I am going to put glue on both of them at the same time, but only focus on one at a time when I'm lining them up. Alright, so get this one lined up first. Just going to hold it there and then bring this one in and just give it a little push. Alright, I'm going to lay it down, go in there and just press on those flaps to help the glue stick. But this one is not lining up. There we go. I got it now. Alright, I'll go back in and just press on them all really good. Oh, I need more glue on that one. Yeah, it's kind of funny. The boxes I make off camera go together flawlessly. The minute I turn that camera on, it's like, disaster. Nothing lines up. Or it's lining up, but the glue's not sticking. Alright, so we're going to let that do its thing. It's being very, very finicky on me. I think my finger's too fat to go in there, that's what it is. Okay, so now we have, oops, we should have done this part first, Stacy. I'm going to fold these guys down. So this is a video as do as I say, not as I do. So before you assemble the box, you want to put this piece on. So we're going to put glue on the back of that piece and put this sitting in there and just giving that a pinch. And you can choose to glue the color down. I like the color being up. And we also have a score mark right there and there. Alright, so now how this goes together, take these inside pieces and you'll see there's a slice right there. Line it up with the slice on the other side. There we go. Okay. Okay, so that's how the inside goes. Alright. Now we're going to close that, but we're going to put our greeting on the front. And we're going to attach our button. This is a Mother's Day box. I mean, it's perfect for Mother's Day, but it's also really fun for just a friend, you know, as a little box. Let me find my foam squares. Okay. I'm just going to do 3. I think 3 is fine. Okay, give them a squish, take the backing off. Now, to close the box, I'm using a brad. I'll be using 2 brads actually. On the video that they show, they glue it. I don't like to glue it because if you glue it, whoever you give it to has to unglue it, and that means they're going to destroy the box. So I'm actually just going to use a brad. I did a brad on this one as well. It's in the back, so I think it's not that noticeable. So I'm going to take these two pieces over here, line them up, take a poker tool, and just poke a hole in there carefully. Kind of wiggle it around a little bit, and put the brad in there. This would be a really cute box for a little girl as well. And then I'm only going to open up one arm of the brad because if I do open up both, you're going to see it. Unless you have smaller brads that you can use. Alright, so we have that one shut. I'm just going to do the same for this one. And very carefully poke a hole in there. Alright, and stick our brad in. Actually, for a very simple box, it's a long video. I'm not sure where I am on the time, but I do apologize. Alright. Get that one closed on me. There we go. Isn't that cute? And then lastly, right here, I want to add a button. I already do have that prepared. I just got to find it. Oh, there it is. Okay. And I have some sticky strip on the back of it, which is just double-sided tape. And we're just going to lay that right under the collar. Probably put my grating up a little bit too high. There you go. How cute, right? Yeah, my grating is a little bit too high on this one, but that's okay. I think it's really, really cute and very easy box to put together. Again, if you're like me and don't have any patience, you can certainly just cut those pieces off that lock in together. I don't really think you need them because the box does have the closure. All right, so there you have it. Any questions, guys, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.